Guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about trading rules every new trader should have when it comes to trading the financial market, guys. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to be showing 5 rules with you guys, and these are the rules that I follow when it comes to my trading. It took me some times, man, because I thought not having trading rules I was going to be successful in this financial market, but it doesn't work like that. You have to have a structure in order for you to be a successful trader. Like, as we see all these professional traders or all the traders that are excelling on the financial markets, man, it's not luck. It's because they have a trading system that they follow and they stick to it no matter what. So let's get straight into it. The first rule that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is that, guys, the first rule: always protect your cash, man. Like, by all means, always protect your cash, man, because that's the first rule of trading. It's all about numbers. So if you are careless, man, it's not gonna work out, man, because it took me time, man, to actually realize and actually learn that, hey, man, in order for you to be successful, you need to have rules. There's no company that functions without rules out here, man. That's like trading. Trading is a business. So when you start that business of yours, you are the CEO, the employee. So you need to follow your rules, man. If you're not gonna follow your rules, you're gonna get smashed in this. So, guys, protect your cash by all means, man. I'm not saying there are not gonna be losses, but make sure that your losses are small and your wins are bigger than your losses, so that you can protect your cash, And so, guys, let's move to our second point that I want to share with you guys. The second point I want to share with you guys, for new traders, is that, guys, make sure that you take 1 or 2 trades, not more than that, because that's gonna help you protect your cash. Take 1 or 2 trades, man. It's important. It's like, it sounds easy, but, man, just do it, bruh. Because if you actually want to stay long in this, if you actually want to make money and stay long in the financial markets, man, it's all about thinking in the long term, thinking in the future. Because if you go all in a single trade and that trade doesn't work out, there are gonna be future opportunities, and then you're not gonna be able to execute those opportunities because you risk all your funds on a single trade. So, guys, that's simple. Take 1 or 2 trades. And the other thing is that, guys, focus on 1 pair, man, or 2 pairs. Stop having all these pairs on your watch list, and you confusing yourself, and you're not even knowing what you are doing, brother. Because you are chasing the money. The money will come once you master the skill. But once you have mastered the skill, because the skill, in order for you to master it, you have to have rules, man. Like professional traders have rules, and they follow their rules on a daily basis. And having rules, it's gonna make you be able not to trade with emotions, because there's gonna be a system that you follow. And when you have a system that you follow, there are not gonna be emotions involved when you actually have to execute the trades. And the other thing, guys, is that I want to share with you guys. If you don't know what the market is doing, the best advice that I can give you is that wait. The market will always guide you, man. Wait, because as traders, we get paid for waiting. We don't get paid for reacting. Nah. Some people might think that we get paid for reacting. No, we actually get paid for waiting when it comes to trading. So it's important that when you don't know what the market is doing, man, just detach and wait and see what the market is doing. The market will always guide you. The market always guides you. So it's important that you also stick to this rule that I'm sharing with you. Wait, because some people can't actually sit on their hands, guys. So, guys, I'm gonna be moving to our third rule, which is, guys, don't ever risk all your capital on a single trade. Don't ever go all in on a single trade, guys. That is self-explanatory. I'm not gonna touch so much on that. Don't ever go in on a single trade because the previous trade that you trade, it was profitable, and you think this following trade is gonna be a win. No. Have a number in your mind, or a zone to know that, oh, when the market reaches this zone, I'm out. It's a sign that okay, I'm out. That's why there are stop losses in the market, you know, so that you can actually limit your losses, you know, because mistakes in this gaming, they cost a lot. They cost a lot. I ain't gonna lie. It took me, man, years to actually like know like mistakes in this, they actually cost a lot, man. And the other thing that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys is that, guys, make sure that you focus on setups that are having a risk ratio of 1:2 or 1:3 risk ratio, because there a lot of people be seeking trades that are 1:10, 1:5 risk ratio, but those setups, they will come in the future once you have mastered the skill of trading. You know, you don't have to chase them, they will come to you, man, because once you start chasing in the market, that's when you start losing. Once you start chasing, that's when you start losing. So it's important that uh you follow this rule. Stick to 1:2 risk ratio, you know. And the other thing, guys, is that, man, take 1 2 trades. Like I said, man, take 1 or 2 trades. This is gonna help you, man, and it's also gonna help you uh stay calm when it comes to trading the financial market. Because when you go all in and you leverage all your account, like traders say, hey, I'm going full margin, man. If you don't have funds and you are new in this trade, man, you're gonna get smacked, bruh. And for sure, that's not what it's not that what you want. But I hope you got value from this video, and if you like this video, please share in the comment sections below what are your rules, and or what are the rules that have actually, what is it that the market has actually taught you about your rules or your edge. And see you guys in the next video.